Kind of satisfying. Did y'all hear that?
No, what did it do?
My almond butter is gassy. Very functional, but hilarious to watch come out. Today, we're going to talk about something very serious. Collagen. I love using collagen in a lot of different ways. I put it in my smoothies, I put it in my chia seed pudding, but people are not sure how to use it, what types to use. So I'm going to give you a little rundown. I've used a couple different kinds, and I know what I like and what I'm looking for. I want the hair, the skin, the nails. I want to look like a baby forever. So if I need to bathe in this or ingest all of it, I will do that. This also helps with your gut, with your joints, gives it a little boost. Probably the one you've maybe seen most often is this Great Lakes Neocell. I really like this one. The thing about the Thrive grass-fed collagen peptides comes in these little guys. So you can pop it in your purse, add it to your coffee, down it, I don't know. But these are just easy if you're traveling or, you know, when you need your collagen fix, as we all do. So Great Lakes, Neocell, and the grass-fed Thrive brand, these are all bovine, which is cow. There's also marine, and there's also chicken. So there's different options. You can put in coffee. It really is tasteless. Today I'm going to show you how to make 2 recipes with collagen, starting with my matcha latte. This is one of my favorite recipes because it tastes like a milkshake. I'm not even kidding. You get the antioxidants and the boost of energy from the matcha. You get the collagen, so you feel better. You feel like you're doing something healthy. You may have seen matcha lattes at Starbucks. I've been making these for a long time. I'm not going to say that I made it first, but I've been making them for a long time. And it's cheaper just to make it at your house, and you can control how much sweetener you put in it. I like to use maple syrup. You could use honey, you could use stevia, you could use swerve, whatever you like. And it's also paleo. It's paleo. Start with some almond milk, unsweetened. If you have homemade, that's great too. Vanilla extract. You know what it kind of reminds me of? A shamrock shake at McDonald's. It's naturally green from the matcha. I'm not even kidding. This tastes like a milkshake. And it does bring a lot of boys to the yard. And I'm always like, it's better than yours. You know what I mean? Maple syrup, as much or as little as you like. Now to the collagen. So I like to do 1 scoop, which I think is the recommended, suggested serving size. And then I have some matcha. I like this one from Thrive because it's a little more mellow. It's not so bitter. So add about a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half. There is caffeine in here, and it turns it this pretty green color. Let's blend it up. You may be wondering why I'm making this in a blender. I want to make sure the collagen and the matcha are fully combined and there's no lumps of anything. I mean, do I have a mustache? I mean, besides my regular mustache. It's light, it's creamy. I already feel amped to do so many things on this matcha. My hair, I feel like just grew 5 inches. My nails are so strong. Thank you, collagen. I hope you make this, it's delicious. But on to our next recipe, which is fudge, chocolate fudge. Second collagen recipe, I'm using some grass-fed collagen peptides. And to start it off, I'm using organic coconut oil. It's Nutiva. It comes in these handy little packages, these little pouches, which I like. And I have this pouch as well. Less carbon miles, less carbon footprint, if you're into that thing, which I think we all should be. All right, coconut oil, I need about 1/2 cup. Ooh, that coming out with ease. And then I have almond butter. You can use whatever nut butter you like. If you like cashew or you like peanut, sunflower. There's so many different kinds. I'm using almond. I need 3/4 of a cup. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on, almond butter. This is your time to shine. I'd like to do the coconut oil first because it just helps the almond butter come out a little smoother, a little quicker. You need 1/2 cup of cacao powder. And then I need 3 scoops of collagen. Whatever collagen you're using, they're all different. The serving's always different, so just do a little research. and see what one you're using, how it makes sense to put it in the recipe, if that makes sense. A little vanilla extract. I always think it's kind of weird when you put vanilla in chocolate, but it just enhances the flavors and just brings out the chocolatiness. Maple syrup, you need about 3 tablespoons because the cacao powder can be a little bitter, so you want to add some sweetness. This is fudge. It's supposed to be a dessert. A little decadent. Pinch of salt. And then I have some chopped roasted almonds. Boop. It should come together pretty easily. Oh, it smells so good. So I have a cake pan overlapped with parchment, so when it's ready, I can just lift up the parchment. Let's pour this baby in. Just want to push the fudge out to the corners so it's one even, flat layer. A few more almonds for the top. Just a pinch of flaked sea salt. I love chocolate and salt. I just think they should always be together. All right, this is ready to go. I'm going to pop it in the fridge for a couple hours so it hardens and we can cut it up. So I've taken my fudge out of the cake pan and it's hardened up.
Just like Nonna used to make.
Just like my grandma Hemingway used to make.
She has this collagen fudge recipe.
Oh my God. Back from the 1800s. Should I try it? Little bites of chocolate. Chocolatey, salty, nutty. But I think it's a good guilt-free-ish dessert that has collagen in it. If you like these recipes, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe and comment. Tell me what you like to do with collagen, how you like to use it. I want to know all about that. And you can find all the products that I used at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. And you can also find the recipe below. All the goodness below. Thanks for watching. Is it good or bad? You have a mustache. Is it good? Nothing like a green almond milk mustache.